How to hide text messages on iPhone lock screen. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to hide text messages on iPhone lock screen. So let's begin. The very first step that I will be teaching you is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. So go ahead on settings and then go to general, go to software update, make sure that you have been connected to a Wi-Fi connection or a data connection and click on download and install. So the purpose of this one is that the feature that I will be teaching you might not be present on your current iOS. So now, assuming that you have updated your iOS, you may now go back to settings, search for notifications right here. So click on notifications, and there are actually two ways to hide the content or the message, the messages on your lock screen. So the first one is the show previews right here. So go ahead and click on show previews, and then you should choose either when unlocked or never. So what this will do is that it will only show a pop-up or the icon of message or the message app, and then it will just state that you have a new message instead of the full content of your text message. So if you choose when unlocked, you may see the content of your text message only if you have unlocked your phone, or you may also click on never and you may just see a new message, for example, that will appear on your notification or your lock screen. So you may also change this setting directly on messages. So you just simply scroll down on messages, scroll down once again, and again choose show previews, and again choose either when unlocked or never. So that's it. That's how you can hide text messages on iPhone lock screen.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.